In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClipChamp on Windows 10. By the end, you'll have the official ClipChamp app installed straight from the Microsoft Store, which is the safest and simplest way to get it on your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store. Click the Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen, then start typing Microsoft Store. When you see the Microsoft Store app appear in the search results, click it to open. The store is built into Windows 10, so you don't need to download anything extra to access it. Make sure you're connected to the internet before you begin, since all downloads in the store require an active connection. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top and type ClipChamp. Press enter to search. In the results, look for the official ClipChamp app published by Microsoft. This ensures you're installing the genuine, trusted version. If you see multiple results, choose the one clearly identified as the official app and click it to open the app's page. On the ClipChamp page, select the Get or Install button. The exact wording might vary, but they do the same thing. They start adding the app to your PC. If you see an Open button instead, that means ClipChamp is already installed. If you see Update, it's already there and just needs a quick refresh. Click the appropriate button and let Windows handle the rest. There's nothing special you need to configure. Now wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress indicator in the Microsoft Store showing the download and install status. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and system performance. It's best to keep the store window open and avoid shutting down your PC until the process finishes. If the download seems slow, just give it a moment. The store manages everything in the background. When the install is done, click Open right from the store page to launch ClipChamp immediately. If you prefer, you can close the store and open ClipChamp later by clicking the Start menu and typing ClipChamp to find it quickly. The first time you launch the app, follow any on-screen prompts so it can set itself up for editing. After that, you'll land in the main dashboard and you're ready to start creating videos. That's it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for ClipChamp, installed it, waited for the setup to finish, and launched the app. Enjoy editing, and